Hi, I'm Aisha. How do plants move water? Plants are able to move or transport substances like water, minerals, and nutrients absorbed by their roots right up the stem. This is done via the vascular system in plants. It ensures that the entire plant gets its supply of water and nutrients by this kind of upward movement. Here's what each group will need: a celery stalk or flower stem, a cup of water, food coloring, approximately 6 to 8 drops, scissors, and hand lenses. Each group should put food coloring in the cup of water, snip about an inch off the bottom of the stalk or stem, and place it in the water. Leave the stalks and stems in the water cups and set aside where they will not be disturbed. In the second stage of the experiment, have students observe their experiments the next day. They should record their observations and compare the actual outcome with their predictions. Have each small group present an oral summary to the class. Students can make their observations over the course of several days. Time's up. And it looks like the water's up too.